All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much. And there is news coming out. News again, news again. There's always news about the Reggae Boys team. Always news about the Reggae Boys team. So people, please remember to smash the like button and subscribe to the Military Guna channel for consistent updates and news and information about each and every single Reggae Boy that I can literally cover. But in the same sense, this is a platform where you get daily content, daily news, daily information about the Reggae Boys team on and off season. It doesn't matter when. But people, please remember, as I said, smash that like button and also subscribe to join the military squad because we're building a great unbiased platform here where we can discuss football and be critically analytic and also be fair in our analysis of every game and also every player. Now, the latest news coming out of Derbyshire Live, that is the Derby County news station, that Manchester United old boy training with the Derby County team, that is Ravel Morrison. And the good thing about it is that I have also seen the video. I'll get that video up. The video will be on my Instagram and my Twitter of the Derby County team, and you guys will definitely see Ravel Morrison. But massive respect to everyone who's tuned in. Now let me read a bit about the article. The 28-year-old attacking midfielder has been a free agent since leaving the Dutch club Den Haag in January. Now, former Manchester United youngster Ravel Morrison is training with Derby County. The 24-year-old attacking, why did I read that? He was linked with Derby County last season, and the Rams boss Wayne Rooney, who knows Ravel Morrison from his time at Old Trafford, and is a big admirer of the player's talent. Rooney said at the time, "I think I'm happy with the squad I've got. We have got a good squad of players. I hope Ravel finds a club which he deserves because he's a fantastic player and I wish him all the best." No, Ravel Morrison trained at Moor Farm yesterday, Monday, and he traveled with the squad to the training camp down south where Derby County will spend the week ahead of Sunday preseason game against Manchester United at Pride Park. Now, what does this mean? What does this mean, people? We already knew that Ravel Morris is actually training in England for. We already knew that he was training in England for to ensure that he keep match fitness because of the Gold Cup that is going on. In the same sense, everyone knew about that. Now, if we should look at other things in context, let's put other things in context. This can be two ways. It can actually go two ways. This could actually be a transfer for Ravel Morrison going to Derby County, getting back his footing on the ground in the right order. Also, because Wayne Rooney and Ravel Morrison, these guys are coming from way back, and also this could be big news for it could just be the fact that he's just trying to maintain fitness. And to get himself back into the Gold Cup squad until the paperwork for the USA visa sorted out. So there's those are the two ways to look at it. But for me, both of those two ways are great news for me. I think that despite we know the talent that Ravel Morrison has, but in the same sense, going to Derby County is another grand opportunity for him to kick the ground running and start off a new season, a fresh season as a new and fresh player, as a new man. This is like a second opportunity for Ravel Morrison to step out there and do and showcase his talent, showcase what he has in his locker, and showcase all of that. Because we as Reggae Boys fans, we know the whole entirety of the issue surrounding Ravel Morrison, why things has been so difficult for him. But we empathize with him. We honestly empathize with him. And at this point in time, it is important, and I do appreciate the fact that he's finding himself at a club where he can put in some training, some aggressive training, a match-like scenario training, and then now we can come to the conclusion that he would be ready when his paperwork are sorted out for the Gold Cup campaign. Now, the next thing is this now. In the event that, as I read before earlier, in the event that he's still in the squad, coming down to the pre-season friendly against Manchester United for Derby County. And we see Ravel Morrison in the squad, just in the squad. We'll have to see. But we know that if any transfer for Ravel Morrison should take place, it will definitely take place after the Gold Cup, because at this point in time, he's actually in line with the Gold Cup campaign and in agreement with them on the Gold Cup. So I know the whole idea of playing a Gold Cup, a pre-season friendly right now for Derby County is way out of the margin. But I'm just saying that if he's still in and around the squad when we see the Manchester United team playing against Derby County in that pre-season friendly, we could definitely say that there's a strong possibility that we might see Ravel Morrison playing for Derby County next season. There's a strong possibility. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want to see that? I'm quite sure most of the Derby County fans, when I'm looking at the article, I'm looking at the comment section under the article, I see a lot of Derby County fans, they would appreciate him. They will definitely appreciate him. So that is telling me that people still are looking out for this player. People still looking out for this player. People still want to see the best of Ravel Morrison. People still want to see what he has to offer. A lot of people still want to see what he has to offer. For me, especially, I do want to see him in a proper club, playing some proper football, so I can actually look at him and do some review on the player. But we do understand that everything is not as how we would want it to be, and that is just the world of football. That is definitely the world of football, and it's just how it is. Some of the time, it's just how it is. It's just definitely how it is, and there's no other way to look at it. There's definitely no other way to look at it. But for me, I think this is good news. Reggae Boyz fans, please tell me what you think. What do you think about this news that is coming out about Ravel Morrison training with Derby County? Just let me know what you think about it, and I will definitely continuously give you some update on what is happening. So I will keep a close eye on it, people, so that I can give you the consistent update on what is happening or what's the situation. So, guys, thank you very much again. You know, guys, I'm the person. I'm definitely going to consistently give you updates on every single Reggae Boy player. Massive respect to everyone. So ensure now that you hit the subscribe button and also smash that like button, people. This has been relatively a good one. This is Military Guna TV, people, and I am out.